Hi friends, welcome to your own channel Creative Tech. Today our topic is how to create a run automation email campaign in active campaigning tools. So I will show you how to create marketing automation process. First of all, I will tell you all about it, like how to attract your customer, how to promote your content, how to convert close reports and proposal and write visitors, leads and customer success. So now we will start all about it. So I'll search live here at front of you on my screen how to create automated campaign here. So first of all we have to click on this site, how to create a new automation from start and active campaigns. Open it all, and here we study how to create a new automation from start and active campaign. So in this article we convert the steps of creating an automation from starch. In this example, we will show how to build an automation that delivers welcome email after a content subscriber a list, tags and content based on how do they interact with your email. So guys, these tags are useful for being or ending, for beginning and ending others automation, creating segments of contents and gathering an articles. This is a good article to read it if you are new. Marketing automation will made its detail as possible, as explained via investigation the step below, so that you can understand how to combine various triggers, action and logic creates automation workflow. So here these are some steps for creating new automation process. Click automations to navigate to automation overview page. Second step is there to click new automation to display the automation menu models. Okay. So at the end, and the third procedure is that click start from the start, then click continue and bottom of the models window. Here the display, you already see all of that, how to display or overview of the creating email here. Add a start tiger, we could being the sequence a number of way that is the example. I will show you how to being this automation whenever anyone is added to a list. First one is that click the subscribers to a list targets that click continue. Next, choose the list from the drop down that will being the automation. In this example will go a choose master list. In these steps you already see the arrow here, red arrow marker list. Since we might being using a multiple from this add peoples, the master list makes sense to start automation whenever anyone is added on to this list, rather than having a different taggers to the each from three to prevent contents from the restarting the automation, which would cause the receiving the same message over and over. Make sure the target action is configured to run once. This option should be selected by default. Okay. So third step is here, run once means that content will only enter your automation once through a specific tagger, no matter how many times they meet the targeting conditions. So run multiple times means that content will enter your automation through a specific target each time they meet the targeting conditions. To finish configure configures the target, click add and start. So that's all. We all search how to create automation campaign. So now I'll show you how send and welcome email. It's best practice to send an welcome email to new content immediately after they OPT into your list. Welcome email tends to have some of the highest open and click through rates. So this is a chance to get important message in the front of your content and present important cells to action. Note that only contacts who provides an email address can be sent emails. Okay, configure this action. Definitely you have to see that, like click here, send email action contained in this add new action model. This model will appear as soon as finishing figures over subscribers to list start tigers. So this is a window you have to send emails, like here red sign in the box. You already got it how to create and receive your sending emails. So three step, like next step is that name to the email into the field provider, click the create button. This email name is the internal and content will be note C in these recommendations using a descriptive name that will remain you this email purpose. So note that you will be able to give the email subject line that your content will see later on. Okay. So fourth step is you will be then directly to the templates page where you can select templates for your email. Note that start from starch option you can using it if you have HTML template you would like to use if you want to send it text only email message. When you find the templates that suits your purpose, mouse over it and click select. And the fifth one is a sender detail model will open here and you can change the sender information and create subject. Okay, line is line for your email. These options can be accessed and edited later. So what you create add the step into set in stone. Once you modify sender information and add a subject link, click the continue button and you will look like that sender detail customer welcome email, like the customer designs are fairly straightforward and innovative. Your email divided into block that can be drag and drop. To add a block, drag it from the sidebar and release it when the desired position high rated. To remove a block, mouse over it can click gig icon and click delete this. So this is the very important steps. When you click into the block you will see a variety of formatting option appear both above it and the high registered on the. Definitely types of blocks have different option to spend some timing exploring each blocks and the option available so to you. After you customize the text and formatted the email, click the next button into the upper right corner of the screen. You will be redirect to the campaign summary page. So these all the reviews are very important for all of you guys. I will definitely tell you and explain you all of these. Review the campaign summary page. Review edit the message name, subject line, per heads text and sender information. Turn on or off open read tracking. Turn on or off line tracking. Turn on off reply tracking. Turn on off Google Analytics tracking. And sender emails and sends test emails to yourself or your people on your team. See preview of your messages. See notification of potential issues your campaign that might target and spam filters. That's all of you guys, is the best information for all of you guys. I hope you will get it all, and if you not get it, so please send comments and I will show you next how to create a new email on this campaign. So thank you so much. Subscribe my channels. Thank you.